Hello students, welcome back to Standard 5th Mathematics Digital class. In the previous video, we solved problems based on equivalent fractions. Today we are going to learn like and unlike fractions. In the fractions 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 7 by 4, we can observe the denominators are same. Such fractions are called like fractions, or we can say the fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. Now see another example. 2 by 5, 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. In these fractions, the denominators are different. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. So we can say the fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Converting unlike fractions into like fractions. If we are given these two fractions 5 by 6 and 4 by 9, we can see the denominators are different, so these fractions are unlike fractions. To convert these fractions into like fractions, we have to make the denominators same. To make the denominators same, we have to find a common multiple of both these denominators, that is 6 and 9. So, finding common multiple. Multiple of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 9 are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and so on. You can see among these 4 multiples of 6 and 9, we got a common multiple, that is 18. As 18 is the common multiple of 6 and 9, we have to convert the denominators into 18. Now taking 5 by 6. As we have to convert 6 into 18, so we have to multiply 6 by 3 so that we get 18 as the denominator. And now multiplying the numerator by the same number, we get 15 as the numerator and 18 as the denominator. So 5 by 6 is converted into 15 by 18. Similarly, converting 4 by 9, we we have to make the denominator 18. So we have to convert 9 into 18. And for that, we have to multiply 9 by 2, as 9 2s are 18. And now multiplying the numerator by the same number, we get 8 as the numerator and 18 as the denominator. Now we can say 15 by 18 and 8 by 18 are like fractions. And this is our answer. Now come to problem set 18 of your textbook on page number 24. Question is, convert the given fractions into like fractions. Come to the first part, that is 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. We are given these two fractions. As you can see, these are having different denominators and we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. For that, we have to make the denominators same. We can observe that 8 is twice of 4. So, we can simply make the denominator of this fraction 8. So, taking 3 by 4 and multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 2. We get 6 as the numerator and 8 as the denominator. Now 5 by 8 and 6 by 8 are having same denominators, as 3 by 4 is converted into 6 by 8. So, we can say 6 by 8 and 5 by 8 are like fractions. And this is our answer. Now come to the second part, that is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. You can see the denominators are different and none of the denominator is a multiple of the other. So we have to find a common multiple of 5 and 7. If you recite the table of 5 and 7, you come to know that 35 is a common multiple of 5 and 7. So we have to make the denominator 35. Or simply we can write the multiple of 5 and 7. Multiples of 5 are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and so on like this. We have to go up to 7. That is, we have to find the 7 multiples of 5 to get 35. I have written the 8 multiples of 5. Similarly, the multiples of 7, and 7 multiples of 7. You can see we got 35 as the common multiple. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 fives are 35. So we have to make the denominator 35. You can simply find the multiples up to 9. Most probably you will get the common multiple among 9 multiples. Now taking 3 by 5 and converting 5 into 35, we have to multiply 5 by 7 as 5 sevens are 35. And similarly multiplying the numerator by the same number, we get 21 as the numerator and 35 as the denominator. Now taking 3 by 7 and multiplying 7 by 5 as 7 fives are 35. Similarly, multiplying the numerator by 5, we get 15 as the numerator and 35 as the denominator. Now 21 by 35 and 15 by 35 are like fractions. And this is our answer. Similarly, you can solve the other parts of this question. Thank you.